Ja,
Did it? How?
hör auf zu tratschen. Hier, auf geht's. Nimm den Schlüssel, guck, was da drin ist und guck, dass du abkommst.
Did you find it?
Nee,
Oh, I think it has to be
Schlüssel,
in here.
da rein.
Has to be.
Der mittlere. Scheiße, wieso habe ich denn den linken genommen? Den linken.
No,
Ah, ist ja gut.
it worked.
There are so many guests already arriving. And have you seen the wedding decorations they put up in the gardens? So beautiful. You know, we're as lucky as she is. Marjorie was but a lady
Sagst
when
du,
we were
ne?
sent to serve at Highgarden. But in just a few days' time, we'll be attending to a queen at a royal feast. Where we're standing, we'll be able to see everyone. And everyone will be able to see us.
Sarah, it will be Marjorie's day, not ours.
Not ours.
I know. I didn't mean anything by it. I've been meaning to say what I told you about my family. I hope I didn't make a mistake in trusting you.
Alter.
If handmaidens don't help each other in King's Landing, nobody will.
Thank you, Mira. And you know I'll always help you too. Hold on, look. There he is.
Lord Morgrin?
No, next to him. Lord Tarwick.
Was? Okay.
I don't want to be a handmaiden forever. And this wedding may be the best chance of meeting a husband I'll ever have. I have to go talk to him. Marjorie won't notice it for a few minutes longer. Could you make an excuse for me?
Das will ich mir angucken. Ja, jetzt geh halt. Hopp.
Go on then.
Das will ich mir angucken.
The wedding's still days away.
Ja, klar.
Thank you, Mira. I knew I could count on you.
Okay. Hallo. Ja, die ist gerade keiner hier.
What are you doing here?
Oh no, I shouldn't be here. But we have to talk. I didn't know when I would see you next.
Are you alright?
I'm fine. Thank you. I just needed to warn you. I was down in Fleabottom last night when I overheard a couple of Lannister guards talking about... Shh! They already
Komplett
know he's missing.
unauffällig.
Probably dead. They're questioning people, searching for his body. It's not safe.
Who are they questioning? Do they know about me?
I don't think so. But why would they have any reason to? Anyway, he'll never show up again to tell them. No one will know what you did.
Außer er verrät es.
What? What is it? If we're gonna survive this, there can't be any details we've overlooked.
Someone paid him to kill me. They're still out there. They might try again.
Oh, God. You need to keep your head down. Stay out of sight for a while.
How? Do you forget
Wollte ich
who I
gerade sagen, wie will
serve?
sie denn das machen?
Just keep your eyes open. And I'll watch your back. We're in this together now.
Why are you helping me?
What do you mean? I'm a friend, Lady Mira. My name's Tom.
Oh, er hat auch einen Namen.
We help each other, or it's both our heads.
Thank you, Tom.
Don't thank me yet, Lady Mira. There's still someone out there who wants you dead. And I don't...
Mira,
My lady.
really? A tryst in the bushes with that coal boy? Not to say it's
Ja,
wrong,
und?
but
Kann nicht jeder auf dem
all
Lord
the
stehen.
lords and knights in King's Landing.
Can we just keep it between us? I prefer nobody knows.
Of course. That's what friends do. Come on. Marjorie expects us at the throne room. We don't want to be late.
You can tell me all about this Lord Tarwick on the way.
Well, first of all, his name's Garibald. and he has this really funny accent. He told me the cleverest story about this festival they have where they celebrate.
Guten Tag, ihr Leid.
And I've given the musicians
Wir spielen weiter Game of Thrones und das war die Begrüßung.
I assume you have no problems with the reigns of Castamere?
I trust you've chosen all the standards. But just to be sure, I'll draw up a list of wedding ballads we favor in Highgarden.
Your Grace, my lady.
Which reminds me, Joffrey will require his Kingsguard close at hand during the feast. I'm afraid we'll have no room for your handmaidens.
But we...
What was that? Do you object? Is that what I heard? If you're going
Your
to
Grace,
speak out of turn, girl,
I...
you should finish what you start.
We do as you command, Your Grace, and we'll spend the feast wherever it pleases you.
You'll spend it mopping the stables, if I please. I asked your handmaiden here at the Iron Throne whom she would serve if forced to choose between yourself and the king. She was deferential to the crown then, as she is now. But words are wind.
Ich habe gerade wieder der Krone
The
quasi
Kingsguard will
zugesagt.
stay with Joffrey. Your handmaidens will sit elsewhere.
Of course, Your Grace. Anything for my beloved Joffrey.
Lady Marjorie, we may not see eye to eye on everything, but I hope you will at least agree with me that our handmaidens should know their place. And that place is not with my brother, Tyrion.
What did she mean by that? You and Tyrion? What you do reflects on me. If something's going on, I need to know about it.
Tyrion... he offered to help my family.
He did? Then surely he expects something in return. Sarah, what do you know of this?
Tyrion approached us, my lady. It was his idea, not Mira's.
I don't care what your intentions were, Mira. You went to a Lannister behind my back. I've only ever tried to help you. Why are you making trouble for me?
Da ist mal einmal ehrlich.
My family needs me. We're losing everything. I have to do whatever I can to help them.
Auch
I'm not
das
blind
war
to your
eventuell eine
pain,
schlechte
Mira.
Idee.
But your problems are not the only ones in the world. Right now, I need you both to be my handmaidens, and that's all I need you to be. Let there be no mistake. If I hear of you speaking so much as a word to Tyrion Lannister again, you can go home to your family.
I'm sorry, my lady. I made a mistake. It won't happen again. Please don't send me home.
This can't happen again.
Mein lieber Scholli, ey. Wenn sie angefressen ist, Schnutsche, dann ist sie angefressen. Holla die Waldfee. Was ist jetzt los?
Roderick, it's the Whitehills. They're assembling in the courtyard. They've woken the house. You can't let this go on. They want to see us cower.
What in damnation are they doing?
They just showed up here, started banging their shields.
I'll need my sentinel. Go ahead, Talia, and have Duncan meet me in the courtyard.
He's not back from the wall yet.
Then make sure Royland's there.
What is this?
It's a parade of dead men if I have my way.
Ey, was ist denn das hier für eine Kacke?
Who's behind this? Come out and face me.
Ich würde mal sagen, der Typ da.
Those are strong words. For a cripple who can't carry a sword?
All of you, show your respect to Griff Whitehill, fourth-born son of Lord Ludd Whitehill and commander of this garrison.
Cocky Roderick, we used to call you. Swinging your prick round, lording it over my family. Now look at you. Hey? Roderick the Ruined. I hardly recognize you. But the name fits, don't it? Pathetic.
I've had enough of this, Griff. What are you trying to prove here?
I had to get your attention, didn't I? Always so busy beating your own chest, Roderick. I don't think he gets it.
No, my lord. I don't think he does.
Your brother Ethan didn't get it either.
You bite your tongue.
I am in charge now! And the first thing you need to know is that if I am not happy, no one is happy. So my men are taking over your Great Hall. That's where we'll quarter from now on.
What? You can't.
You'll have to go through me.
I won't have my men sleeping out in your barn in shit and filth. Maybe that's how foresters live, but not us.
I don't care if you're happy or not. You'll quarter where I tell you.
I wasn't fucking asking, Roderick. And what's more, you will treat my men right. I've heard what you've done, pushing wine on them, turning them into drunkards. That ends now.
Eigentlich habe ich sie
I'm not here to
ausgehungert.
keep them in line. I'm here to keep you in line. You think you're being clever?
If your men don't like it here, you can march them back to High Point.
Watch yourself, Roderick.
This is against the King's law. You've no right to make such
I
demands.
have every right. We're here under the orders of Roose Bolton, Warden of the North. So I will be in your halls. I will be in your courtyard. I will sit on your fucking council and be in your bedchambers if I bloody well please.
You can't do this, little bastard. You can't just do
We'll
whatever...
do what we were sent here to do.
You're mad, Griff. This is my house, and you will do as I say.
Why should I listen to some cripple with half a face? Now, me and my men will take our place in your hall. Unless you think you and your army can stop me. No, you know better than that. You know where we'll be.
This is outrageous.
Roderick!
You can't go in there.
We can and we will. Unless you want this all to end right now. Eh? I'm the only lord here. Come on.
Ja, ja. Ein richtiges Seelchen.
Griff Whitehill. That snot-nosed fourth-born. Parading in here like a conquering fucking hero.
It was bad enough when it was just the soldiers.
We can't live with them under our roof, soiling our house.
I know you tried to stop them, my lord. But this occupation will break our people if it drags on.
That's clearly what he wants.
We can't let that scut rule this house.
I'm no fool. I've seen the soldiers in our halls, and Whitehill's runt is at the front of the pack. So don't act as if I don't know how bad it is.
Of course not, my lord. But Griff Whitehill isn't the beginning of our troubles, or the end of them. We need to look at all the pieces. Whitehill men aren't just in our house. They've raided our lands, burnt farms, and cut down our trees. All the way from here to High Point.
How do we kill a snake, then? By smashing its head.
Griff isn't the head. It's his father.
Perhaps. But Griff is here. We have access to him.
And they have Ryan. He carved these soldiers himself. Ramsay Snow killed Ethan. What's to stop the Whitehills from doing the same to Ryan at High Point?
Vielleicht ist er schon tot. Na, das glaube ich nicht, aber...
You can't forsake his safety.
but we have to do something. My lord, at least give us a target to aim for.
Ach so. So, nochmal kurz zur Erinnerung. Ich habe ja vor 2 Folgen oder so angekündigt, dass mir diese Demütigung zu weit ging. Und Roderick wird ein Badass. Bin ich immer noch dafür. Deshalb bin ich jetzt eher eben aggressiver aufgetreten, weil... Was soll die Kacke hier? Okay, wir haben also die Wahl, Griff zu vertreiben oder Ryan zu retten. Okay, Moment. Denken wir das mal durch. Wenn wir Griff vertreiben, wir reden jetzt erstmal nur von vertreiben, für mich ist auch umbringen oder was weiß ich was. Wir haben seine ganze Armee bei uns sitzen. Also da ist Rette Ryan noch näher dran. Das weiß nicht. Kann man das mit einer oder mit einer kleinen Truppe machen, die sich da irgendwie unbemerkt nach Highpoint schleichen und den klauen? Ich weiß nicht. Ich meine, die müssen da in die Burg rein und den holen. Die wird schon irgendwie gesichert sein. Also im ersten Moment hört sich natürlich Rette Ryan deutlich einfacher an. Ja, was mache ich mir hier jetzt so einen Kopf darüber? Ich kann dir eh sagen, ist scheißegal. Es ist ein Telltale-Adventure. Am Schluss sterben alle. Außer er. Also. Wir versuchen Ryan zu retten. Oh.
We get Ryan out and bring him home. Once he's safe, we can face the Whitehills head on.
And what of Griff and his men? But we can only take this occupation for so long.
Speak true. Would you just let Ryan die?
No, my lord.
Roderick is right. We are nothing if we leave Ryan behind.
Then... it's decided. We're bringing Ryan back.
We still don't have the men to hold our own home, let alone storm High Point. We lost most of our men with Gregor at the Twins.
Thankfully, Roderick secured an alliance with the Glenmores.
But those forces mean nothing until after the marriage.
That means we have to count on Asher and Mira.
How?
Asher means to sail home from Essos with a company of hardened sellswords. But they're not bannermen. We'll need to pay them for it. Which is why Mira's part to play is just as crucial. She can get us the coin we need in King's Landing.
You don't imagine we have the luxury of waiting for them? Asher and Mira are a long way from here.
I have faith in my children.
I don't think Lord Whitehall will kindly stand by while we pull ourselves together.
Our very lives and the future of House Forrester are at stake. We have to let them try. It's the only way.
Then we hold fast. The Whitehills aren't ready for war.
It won't be long before you're able to take action yourself.
Well, one way or another, there's a fight brewing, so I have much to prepare, and men to train. My lord?
Das war jetzt ein bisschen ja, ich meine, sie gehen jetzt alle, aber...
My lord, there may be something we can do now. A voice from High Point, Gwyn Whitehill.
Lord Whitehill's daughter?
The very same.
After the hells that came from her and Asher?
Despite all that, she's willing to meet with you. I hope you trust me enough as Sentinel to consider this. It would be wise to hear what she has to say.
Arrange a meeting. What she has to say may prove useful.
I believe she can be trusted. But best use caution.
Ich guck gerade, dass ich mich ziemlich breit gefächert aufstelle, sozusagen.
For now at least.
Good.
Also im Sinne von, dass ich mehrere Optionen offen habe, so.
And she may even help us in High Point when the time comes.
Okay, Gwyn gerecht behandeln. bin gespannt, was das
I
jetzt
want the dove
ergibt.
pie
Oh.
served with a spoon of lemon cream. We'll have to let the kitchens know. And these flowers. They're just all wrong in the Crown lands. Mira, are you listening to me?
Lady Marjorie, good tidings to you today.
Thank you, Lord Tyrion.
And you, Lady Mira. A word in private, if I may.
Garantiert
I'll return
nicht.
her shortly.
Who would I be to deny Lord Tyrion?
Very soon you'll be the queen. And if you're anything like the current one, you'll deny me all you like.
Alter
I'm
Schande.
sorry, Lord Tyrion, but Lady Marjorie needs me.
Ja, das wird er sich
Very
jetzt
well.
natürlich merken. Ja klar, was
Just
soll ich
know that
machen?
matter we discussed?
Ich weiß,
A
dass
royal decree
sich
sits
meine
on my
Familie
desk.
auf mich verlässt.
I'll have my squire
Aber so
contact you
offensichtlich...
at the first opportunity. I thought you would want to know. Good news on a day that is already blessed.
My lord, I know there will be talk. But my family needs this.
It's in good hands, Lady Mira. Oh, one more thing. The most valuable favor is a favor unspent. Perhaps I'll call on you for a dance at the wedding feast. Enjoy the festivities.
Goodbye, Lord Tyrion.
Lady Marjorie, welcome to the family. For better or worse.
Lord Tyrion. Just how is he helping your family? What's this talk of a royal decree? You know I didn't want you talking to him. Today of all days.
I made a deal with him.
Ich versuche
For the crown
ehrlich
to
mit
buy
ihr
my
zu sein,
family's
aber
ironwood.
wie man ja letztens...
Think of how this will look. House Forrester already has so few friends at court. And when this decree becomes public, you may find you have even fewer. You disappoint me, Mira. We'll talk about this after the wedding. Sarah will help me with my gown and hair. Come with me, Sarah.
Okay, jetzt lässt sie mich alleine. Jetzt hätte ich ja Zeit, zu Tyrion zu gehen, aber... Ist das ein Kacke? Ist das ein Quark?
Garrett.
Mann, ey.
Easy
Hey,
now.
hey.
Sorry. I was just keeping at the ready.
That's good. Don't lose that. I understand your uncle paid you a visit. What did he want? Not many people pass through here. What brought him this far?
He was just delivering ironwood shields for the Night's Watch.
Ach so. Nö,
The
es
stocks are
ging,
running low.
es ging um Eisenholz,
I
das
know it
stimmt
can
schon.
be easy seeing him, but you have to leave all that behind. Especially now that you're a ranger.
Aye.
I know you had told me you could stand with these men, but not every brother's a friend, if it came to it. And you were in trouble north of the wall. Any of them you'd trust by your side. You know these men. Who do you want watching your back? No one, then. You need allies, Garrett. A lone wolf won't last long in these parts.
Errol Holt of White Harbour, Corliss Wells from Stony Sept. And finally, we've got more spawn of nobility joining us.
No.
Britt Warwick of House Whitehill.
It can't be.
House Whitehill.
Make sure you're not bringing
This
any
one's for the
lights.
Boltons.
There'll be a hot
Das
meal
ist
in the
der-
mess hall. After that, we'll be sorting out gear at the armory.
Garrett.
There'll be practice swords to
Garrett,
start.
what's the matter?
Don't want anyone
You know him?
eating their balls. Come on, get moving.
Garrett. Who is he?
That man murdered my family.
What? Snow! See these new recruits to the Maester. Don't do something you'll regret.
If it isn't the fucking pig farmer. I'm here 'cause of you. Got sent to the war for that little party I do with your family. Don't think it's over. Best watch your back.
What are you waiting for, recruit? Personal invitation from the king?
Welcome to the wall, brother.
Looking forward to it.
That's enough. I said move.
I'll be seeing you, farm boy.
Nun, ja, das kann noch interessant werden.
This isn't fair. We were supposed to be up there. I'll never see another wedding like this. I don't know what you did with Tyrion Lannister that made Cersei want to punish you, but it never should have affected me like this.
I'm so sorry. I had no idea any of this would happen. But what Tyrion Lannister did for me, it may have saved my family.
I hope that's true, Mira. I really do, because you don't know how furious Marjorie is at you. When I was getting her dressed for the wedding, she was talking about who she could replace you with. I probably shouldn't have even told you, but I suppose you have a right to know.
It can't be that bad. I stayed with her when Tyrion tried to talk to me. I said everything right.
I know this must be hard for you. It wasn't too long ago I was asking for your help with Marjorie. And what did you do? Now you know how it feels. Being on the outside looking in. But I'm your friend, Mira. Always. If you want my help with Marjorie, just ask. Otherwise, Marjorie's going to make you leave King's Landing. You're pushing her to it, Mira.
Sarah, I was wrong not to offer you my help. I can only ask you to be a better friend than I was to you.
Don't worry. We'll figure this out. I'll beg Marjorie if I have to. I'm not letting her send you home.
Das ist gerade ein schmaler Grat, ne?
Oh no! They're already serving a pie.
Oi!
We're missing everything.
I know you.
Ja, was ist jetzt los?
You were in the gardens the other night with Damien. Before he disappeared. I have a few questions to ask you. What were you doing there with him?
Mira?
Don't think I don't know it was you. I don't forget a face.
So what if I was with him?
Seven hells. You there, girl. I need a towel or a wet cloth, something.
Lord Morgren.
Den kenn ich.
You'll need to find someone else. I'm not finished
Are
with
you
her.
sick, man? You think I have time to bother with handmaidens? Release her, or I'll have Queen Cersei find you another job.
Okay.
Well, I just ruined a perfectly good shirt to come to your rescue. No need to explain what that was all about. We all have our own mischief to hide.
That was kind of you. I do appreciate it.
Well, I didn't do it merely for your benefit.
Then why?
Perhaps I recognize a kindred spirit. It's not every little handmaiden who can steal an ironwood decree with the crown right out from under
Das
my
ist der
nose.
Kaufmann.
Consider me impressed. My partners, I am afraid to say, felt rather differently.
Das ist der
about it.
Kaufmann.
That ironwood was stolen from my family. It was never yours to sell.
Vielleicht könnte man ein bisschen
Spoken with
freundlicher
strength,
zu
my
ihm sein. Ja, aber...
But still, I wonder if you're ready to play this game. Do you even understand why Tyrion gave you the Ironwood deal? Because it wasn't out of the kindness of his heart.
I'm no fool. He wants something from me. Access to Marjorie. Or perhaps he just knew he could get the cheapest ironwood from me.
Very observant. You are no mere handmaiden. I remember what it was like to be new to this game. You feel like you're drowning, don't you? But there's no one you can really trust. What you need, more than anything, is an ally. I could be that for you, Lady Mira. Is that something you'd be interested in?
And what exactly are the terms of this offer? What do you get out of it?
A smart question. So, let me be blunt. Circumstances have put us at odds. But what if we were to work together? Control the price of ironwood together? We could get very, very rich together. Or should I go back to Lord Whitehill, who has proven to be very interested in it?
Ich will nicht reich werden. Und jetzt erstickt der kleine Depp. Nicht der. Joffrey.
What happened? Joffrey's dead!
I'm afraid it just became a very bad time to be linked to Tyrion Lannister. Tell me that you got that Ironwood decree from him before the wedding.
Oh no. He said it was waiting for me on his desk.
What a shame. Such potential. I'm afraid any chance of our alliance has become quite impossible. You understand, Lady Mira?
I can get it. I'll get it back from his chambers.
That would not be an easy task, especially now. But if it were to disappear, perhaps we could talk again. You have a good head for business, Lady Mira. It'd be terribly disappointing to see it on the end of a pike.
Ja, es hört ja gar nicht auf hier. Okay, ich werde höchstwahrscheinlich von den Wachen verfolgt und jetzt gehe ich sofort zu Tyrions zuhören.
It's locked. You're not getting in this way.
Tom!
What in seven hells do you think you're doing up here? What are you thinking? You've got to leave. Now.
Tom, I'm in trouble. There's something inside I need to get. If I don't, it's going to be a nightmare.
Damn it. Whatever trouble you're in could be trouble for me too.
So what do we do?
I have an idea.
Der Linke. Achso, ich dachte, er tut jetzt an diesem Lichtding da
down onto the outside terrace. It's just
ziehen und dann geht eine Geheimtür auf oder so.
I don't know, Mira. Is whatever's in there really worth risking my life for? It's not just kings who die stupidly around here.
Tom, I really need your help here. I can't do this alone. Just be careful.
Wait here. I'll be at the door before you know it.
Da ist die
Just
Wache.
what do you think you're doing here? You shouldn't be anywhere near this place. Don't you know the imp has murdered the king?
I just needed to get away. After everything that's happened, it was terrible.
I'm sure you did. I'm not going to ask you again. Damn it all. Oi! Whoever's in there, I command you to open this door at once! In the name of the king! You! Don't move!
Ich dachte, ich soll weggehen.
Tom! It's me! Hurry!
Geh auf den Tisch.
I almost didn't make it back down here. Some tiles on the roof came loose. Almost lost my footing.
Tom, we have to hurry.
Ja, aber für unser beider Willen, wie man so schön sagt.
A royal decree.
Well, go on.
Ja.
That Lannister guard could be back with help any second. I'll keep watch outside the door.
Tom!
You can do this.
Okay, das ist nicht gut. Ich werde mal die Maus zu Hilfe nehmen. Ich gucke mir mal einen Schreibtisch natürlich an. Ansehen.
He said that it would be on his desk.
Alter, da liegt alles. Kassenbuch ansehen. Rechnung für die Hochzeit ist mir gerade egal. Ja. Das mach mal hier. Da, Schublade öffnen. Was ist das da? Nix. Okay, da oben war eine Kiste, eine Kassette. Geldschrank zu. Ich hab einen fucking Schlüssel.
Damn it! Hide! I find a way to distract him.
Ich muss da rein!
I'm telling you, I heard someone in here.
Search the place. We'll find them. And after, now that we've got the imp's keys, we can have a little look inside his lockboxes, eh?
Okay. Jetzt wird's interessant.
Help! Fire! What the hell? Damn it! Come on!
Okay. Das war der Kohlejunge. Ja,
You did it. How?
hör auf zu tratschen. Hier, auf geht's. Nimm den Schlüssel, guck, was da drin ist und guck, dass du abkommst.
Did you find it?
Nee.
I think it has
Schlüssel,
to be in here.
da rein.
Has to be.
Der mittlere.
Oh,
Scheiße, wieso habe ich denn den linken genommen? Den linken.
no,
Ah! Ist er gut?
It worked. Is this? Oh,
Forrester, jawohl. Nimm.
Finally.
Guck, dass du
Let's go.
abkommst. Auf geht's. War gut, dass er den Schlüssel zurückgelegt hat. Ih, da brennt's.
Catch the bastard who... I'll wring their bloody neck.
Okay, jetzt für heute reicht's mir. Ihr Leute? Haben wir gut hingekriegt, glaube ich. So viel zu diesem Thema. Bis morgen. Tschüss. Alter Schwede.